crowd has had their money's worth. Come in numbers to support their local team. You want to see the heroes in action. Mumbai Heroes are playing the Karnataka Bulldozers. Young and old, they've all come here to watch this terrific encounter.
Priyamani, the brand ambassador for CCL. She's been there for all the games and wholeheartedly she has supported all the sides without being partisan, isn't it? So after 17 is 155 for 4. Ritesh Deshmukh will come back for his last over. He did quite well in the first 3 overs which he bowled, gave away 25 runs. Picked up the all-important wicket of Bhaskar, the first delivery of this game. Just gives an impression that it is going away from Mumbai Heroes at this stage. I thought the last over was so crucial. 14 runs was conceded. That has allowed them to again make a strong comeback in this match, the Bulldozers. Close to 3 overs left. They can get about 20-25. That will be a very difficult ask for the Heroes.
They've got their work cut out. They have to bowl these 3 overs very economically. If they want to stand any chance in this game. There's a run-out chance, but missed out. There was a hard throw at Ritesh Deshmukh, which he failed to gather it. There was a definite chance, but just couldn't gather it onto the ball. Oh, inside edge, there's no fine leg, and a streaky shot, but he will gather 4 runs for it. Takes the score to 162.
It all counts in the end. That's what the Bulldozers want at this stage. They need some big runs, they need some boundaries, they need some big hits from the players. But this time it came from the inside edge of Kirtiraj's blade. It all helps. Hits it well. Has he connected? No, he has not. And he's taken it quite well. So another wicket falls. It is the substitute Tushar who has taken that catch. And he takes it quite comfortably in the end.
That's exactly what they needed at the moment. Well, trying to go over the top, mistimed it, and the fielder on that occasion doing no mistake. Ritesh Deshmukh, he's picked up his second one. He's delighted. Kirtiraj gone for 9. It's 162 for 5.
So Ritesh Deshmukh has done well, has taken another wicket. So after 18 is 163 for 5.